Hi everybody, it's Ms. Lorenz. I'm going to talk about Unit 3, Lesson 7. We're talking about equivalent ratios, which are the same unit rates. That's really going to be our focus for this lesson. So in number 1, you had to look at 2 burritos and the cost of those 2 burritos being $14 and using that information to find the unit price. And so if it's 2 burritos for $14, that's $7 a burrito. 4 burritos at that price would be $28, and that's still $7 a burrito. 5 burritos at that price would be $35, which is still $7 a burrito. 10 burritos at that price would be $70, which is still $7 a burrito. B burritos, remember in class we use a lot of N for the number of things. We can also use letters like B or C or D or really any letter of the alphabet. So in this case, B for burritos. Any number of burritos, we're just going to take 7 times that number, and that's always going to be $7 a burrito. So what do you notice about the values? Well, it's just going to be $7 times the number of burritos, or 7B. So in number 3, Noah bought B burritos, and he paid C in dollars. Lynn bought twice as many burritos as Noah and paid twice the cost. So how much did Lynn pay per burrito? Well, she paid the same amount because 2 times the burritos is going to be 2 times the cost. But when we take the cost divided by the burritos, like we see right here for Noah, C divided by B, it's just going to be 2C divided by 2B. And 2C divided by 2B is equal to C divided by B. So the cost per item is always going to be the same. It's still going to be cost divided by the number of items that you buy. All right, and the last one is all about applesauce. It takes 4 pounds of apples to make 6 cups of applesauce. So you can see that I wrote that ratio right here, 4 to 6. So at this rate, how much applesauce can you make with a variety of questions here? But I want to show you the first thing I did. So the first thing I did was find the unit rate. So I want to know how many cups of applesauce I can make for every 1 pound of apples. So since it takes 4 pounds of apples, I can make 6 cups of applesauce. I found by dividing that I can make 1 cup, or for 1 pound of applesauce, I can make 1.5 cups of applesauce. Did I say that right? For every 1 pound of apples, I can make 1.5 cups of applesauce. So if I have 7 pounds of apples, I'm just going to multiply that 1.5 times 7 and get 10.5 cups of applesauce. And if I have 10 pounds of apples, I'm just multiplying my 1 times 10, so I'm going to multiply my 1.5 times 10, and I get 15 cups of applesauce. So how many pounds of apples would you need to make 9 cups of applesauce? Well, same thing. I'm still going to use that unit ratio. For every 1 pound of apples, I can get 1.5 cups of applesauce. And I know that if I multiply 1.5 times 6, I get to that 9 cups of applesauce. So then I'm just going to multiply 1 times 6 to get 6 pounds of apples needed. And then lastly, you can just take a look at this table. This is helping us to figure out the pounds of apples we need or the cups of applesauce we're able to make given certain amounts of apples. And you can go ahead and check your work here. Variety of different ways you could have looked at this, but here's my example. And I'm also showing the scale factor, what I'm multiplying by on either side. And then I have to, of course, multiply that same amount at the other side. All right. Thanks for listening, everybody. I hope that helped.